What if I told you there's one habit you're ignoring that could completely transform your life in 2025? Most people will sleepwalk through the next 12 months, stuck in the same loops, chasing the same goals, feeling the same frustration, but not you, not this time. Because after this video, you'll know the one habit that will set you apart and change everything. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you finished a day feeling truly proud of yourself? Not just busy, not just productive, but proud, like you actually moved the needle on your life? Too many people wake up already behind, checking their phones before they check in with their purpose, reacting to life instead of leading it. And before they know it, it's December again. Another year gone, another round of regret. Sound familiar? You say you want 2025 to be different, but here's the hard truth. If you don't change your habits, nothing changes. Because the quality of your life, it's simply the sum of the things you do daily. Not what you hope for, not what you talk about, but what you actually do. The problem is, most people focus on what's urgent, not what's important. They're chasing fires, not building foundations. So here's the habit, the one that changes everything. Not just journaling, not vague to-do lists. I'm talking about 10 minutes each morning to strategically script your day. Like a director, planning the next scene in a movie. Here's what it looks like. You review your biggest goal. You write down the top 3 things that actually matter today. You ask, what can I do today that my future self will thank me for? And you time block your focus hours like your life depends on it, because it does. It's not just a list, it's a compass. Without it, you're a ship drifting in the ocean, hoping to land somewhere great. With it, you're steering towards success every single day. This habit rewires your brain. You stop reacting to the world and start creating your world. It trains your mind to focus on progress, not perfection, to win each day, one intentional choice at a time. And guess what? Those little wins, they compound. 1% better every day isn't just a cute quote, it's real math. Do the math. In 365 days from now, you won't recognize your life. So ask yourself, do you want another year of good intentions and no follow-through? Or are you ready to build a life that finally matches your potential? Are you living each day with clarity or just crossing off tasks to feel busy? Are you steering your future or sleepwalking into it? Here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, before the noise, before the scrolling, sit down with a blank page and plan your day with intention. Make it a ritual. Make it non-negotiable. And then do it again and again until it becomes who you are. This is how you make 2025 your breakthrough year. This is how you separate from the average. This is how you become undeniable. If you're ready to step into that version of yourself, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the one habit you're committing to this year? Because this is just the beginning. And you're about to become unstoppable. Your future is built in your mornings. Start tomorrow. Start now.